If you are looking for a great TV series to watch, you have plenty to choose from. Coming up in this video, I am going to show you 5 TV shows which are very interesting to watch, and also it will help you to improve your English knowledge. Here I am going to review about Breaking Bad, Teen Wolf, 13 Reasons Why, Prison Break and Lost. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Coming in at number 5 is Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is an American neo-western crime drama television series created and produced by Vince Gilligan. This show was aired on AMC, which consists of 5 seasons for a total of 6 to 2 episodes. The show tells the story of an underpaid and overqualified high school chemistry teacher who is struggling with a recent diagnosis of stage 3 lung cancer. Due to this disease, Walter White turns to a life of crime, partnering with his former student Jesse Pinkman by producing and distributing crystal meth to secure his family's financial future before he dies. Here Walter White faced many problems while doing this. He had to navigate the dangers of the criminal underworld. Little by little, this distribution of meth came to its climax. And also, there were no place enough to deposit the money he earned. He even buried the money. When you watch this TV series, you can see that finally he loses everything. This TV series is a very interesting show where we can get many important things to our life. This is also a very good TV show to improve our English language. Next in the line is Teen Wolf. Teen Wolf is an American supernatural teen drama television series developed by Jeff Davis for MTV. This TV show revolves around Scott McCall, who is a high school student in California. He was an unpopular and unathletic child who was suffering from asthma. One day he was bit by an alpha werewolf and he turned into a werewolf. The bite forces him to balance his new identity with his day-to-day teenage life, and also eventually helps to protect his hometown, which he later learns is a beacon for supernatural activity. Through this bite, he got physically healthy and got senses well beyond those of an ordinary human. But he had to control his animalistic behaviors that occurs in full moons. With time, Scott develops romantic feelings for his new classmate Allison Argent, who comes from a family of werewolf hunters. In this story, Scott's best friend Stiles Stilinski, the son of Beacon Hills Sheriff Stilinski, and the naturally born werewolf Derek Hale help Scott to manage his new life. The supernatural events surrounding Beacon Hills also end up affecting Lydia Martin, who discovers that she is a banshee, and also this affected Jackson Whitmore, who is a popular student in the school. With time, as new and familiar threats emerge, Scott is joined by a were-coyote named Malia Tate, a kitsune named Kaira Yukimura, and Scott's first beta werewolf Liam Dunbar, in keeping his family, friends and the rest of the town safe. This is also a very interesting TV show to watch, and also it will help you to improve your English knowledge. Next in the line is 13 Reasons Why. 13 Reasons Why is an American teen drama developed for Netflix by Brian Yoki. This series consists of 3 complete seasons, and it revolves around high school student Clay Jensen and the aftermath of high school student Hannah Baker's suicide. Before her death, she leaves behind a box of cassette tapes in which she details the reasons why she chose to end her life, and also the people she believes are responsible for her death. Through its episodes, the show explores and depicts a wide range of social problems affecting modern youth, including suicide, sexual assault, bullying, racism, mental health, drug addiction, HIV, domestic violence, etc. This is one of the must-watch TV series for a teenager because they can get many advices to win their future. The language is perfectly used in this TV show. Watching this will surely improve your English knowledge. Next in the line is Prison Break. Prison Break is an American serial drama created by Paul Schering for Fox. This show revolves around two brothers, Michael Scofield and Lincoln Burrows. Here, Lincoln Burrows is sentenced to death for a crime he did not commit, and Scofield is making a plan to help his brother escape prison and clear his name. This TV series consists of 5 complete seasons. In season 1, we can see Michael trying to rescue his brother Lincoln from Fox River State Penitentiary, where he awaits his execution. Michael is a brilliant structural engineer and he does his best to rescue his brother. He even drew the blueprint of the prison on his body as a tattoo. In the prison, he meets Fernando Sucre, T-Bag, Benjamin Miles, John Abruzzi, Charles, which play a vital role in this show. In season 2, it is focused on the 8 escapees. Federal agent Alexandra Mahone is assigned to track down and capture the 8 fugitives. In this season, their biggest challenge was to get away from the global organization named The Company. In season 3, Michael is inside Sona prison and Lincoln was in Panama. Sona is a prison that is run by inmates and guarded from the outside. In here also, Michael is making plans to get out of the prison. 4th season is about a team recruited by Homeland Security agent Don Self to obtain Scylla. Michael and the team believes that Scylla is the company's black book. In the first half of the season, they find the cards needed to open the safe where Scylla is kept and breaks into the company's headquarters. In this season, Michael discovers his mother Christina is alive too. Finally, in this season, we see Michael is dead and buried. The 5th season of this show was premiered in June 2015, several years later. In this season, Lincoln discovers that Michael is not dead and he is still alive in a prison. Here, Lincoln tries to rescue Michael and finally they got free. This TV series is one of the best I personally watched, and also this will help you to develop your English knowledge. Next in the line is Lost. This TV show falls into the category of American mystery and drama. It was originally aired on ABC. This story starts with the crash of Oceanic Flight 815 to an island. This island is a mystical place and also it's out of the grid. When this flight was crashing down, the pilots were flying in the wrong path, so the authorities couldn't find the plane. 46 people survived this plane crash and they step by step started to live on this island. These people had to play different roles for the survival of this group. This island was previously used by the Dharma Initiative 30 years ago. It's a scientific research project that involved conducting experiments on the island. The main characters of this show is Jack Shepherd, Kate Austin, John Locke, James Sawyer, Hugo Reyes, Sun, Jin, and Saeed Jarrah. As the story says, they are the chosen ones. And also there are many more characters sitting around them, such as Charlie, Desmond Hume, Claire, Mr. Echo, Jacob, Ana Lucia, Benjamin Linus, etc. With time, they found that there are other people in this island. They are called the Others. This is a very long and interesting story, and I am not going to spoil it for you. Watch it. You can live in this story. It's that much interesting. In the latter seasons, the survivors get to know that they came to this island for a reason, and also they found that they were born for this purpose. In the 5th season, we can see time traveling too. At last, I must say that the English used in this TV show is very good, and also it will help you to improve your English knowledge. Thanks for watching this video on Anglo IT. If you have any questions, post them on the comment section. Let me help you. If you feel like this video helped you, please give it a like, share with your friends, or even consider subscribing for more of our videos. If you like to join our community, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can find links for all of these below in the description.